Enra 21st week fixture no ba ku buka mu enra ane de tentam so 11 wonders womne Kumase Asante Kotoko 90 minutes of soccer fiesta. The scoreline was barren. Obi enu hotia poso nyon kwate na kwa kukusimu awa enya bi menso ma enya bi na akansi ne ba na wi 11 wonders coach ikuku papa say access cd em se nra omo de bi dufu.
It's the Nana Ohene Ameyao Park here in Techiman, where this afternoon we're bringing you a continuing coverage of match day 21 here in the Ghana Premier League. This afternoon, 11 Wonders, the home side, play host to Asante Kotoko, the current league leaders, in a game that promises to bring out the best, especially for 11 Wonders, by virtue of the fact that they are languishing in the bottom rungs of the Ghana Premier League table. 11 Wonders kick us off here this afternoon. Tete Norte marshalling forces in the defense. This delivery is quite good, but here is Quine. Carefully done! Oh, awkward bounce, and that nearly resulted. Again, is that sweet shot from Quine. Oh! Again cleared on line, but I think the goal will stand. No, it won't.
And the header, it didn't go over the line, but here.
And Nadari Abdul Latif will signal the end of the first 45 minutes of action here. We just got the second half underway. Oh! A chance and is wasted. Looking for Etuga. The shot comes from a distance. Nicely caught there. Thrown by Imoru. Lamte comes in, delivers a shot on target. An advantage is on the other side.
From Ituga and Bella, and that is why he's the top scorer. Wonderful footwork. And it's amazing to produce the magic result. They've not gotten 3 points. It's been ending in a draw.
Header is on. Quick reflexes from Kwame once again. By Kwame Boateng, he's still moving forward. He lays a pass through the middle. Good reflexes from Kwame Ba.
Good save from Kwame Ba.
Etuga goes past one. Lamte with the connection. Side netting.
But look at Etuga here. Amazing skill here. Look at that pass again. Waited for Lamte. Lamte with that shot. Nearly beating goalkeeper Ba. Frustrating afternoon it has been for the current league leaders as referee Latif Adari brings the match to an end. Wonders certainly not disgraced.